getting ready to install. The snow's coming in real hard right now, so we have to abort.
Is it slippery?
This is not installation type weather. It is beyond slippery on the roof right now. I found a surprise.
Oh, that's a thing.
It looks like a little bit of a shithole. Literally, we have a shithole in our place now.
We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, I cannot go wrong.
We're gonna go show the dogs the new home. You ready? Come on, dogs. Go.
But you gonna lift
You
here?
that's not working? Yeah, go ahead. 3 F S.
Where did you find your mirror? Oh, handsome.
See how nice it is? It's not gonna be that nice for long with you guys on board. Before the remodel, of course. They can get it as dirty as they want.
Lila, are you excited?
Woohoo!
Are you excited?
I am excited. We gotta get moving though, we're running late.
Bye, puppies. Say goodbye and tell Pueblo.
Lila, what do you need to do? Woohoo! Oh really? What are you guys doing out here, you little f***ing devils? Habaloo, what do you think? We gonna renovate the RV today? How'd today go? I found a surprise.
Where is it?
Behind the plastic.
In the
Up against
plastic.
the wall.
Oh!
Okay, now, you go ahead. I'm gonna sit her down.
Oh,
one step at a
my.
time.
Yep.
That poor little guy. That's the thing.
Right, good.
Hopefully there's not a whole lot more of those. Ugly couch is no more.
Day one, no more ugly couch, and that's literally all that happened.
We got kind of a cool covering on one cushion out of 4.
Yeah.
I don't know about this situation, but we'll say goodbye to that soon too.
That's crazy.
This is looking
Okay,
good.
now do I? Okay, now I think I have it on because I want to make it so that you don't have the seam in the front. Okay, let's see.
I gotta go check on dinner, but it'll be ready in 5 minutes. Just so everybody
Smells good
knows.
in there.
I'm on dinner duty because I can't sew. Come on, Grandpa Rich, our MVP in day one, because that's how it is. Old people know stuff and we don't.
Doggies had a hard day of renovating the RV. They think they're going to be able to sleep here. Hi, Lila. Welcome. Just the worst living creature alive.
Why?
Because they wouldn't leave us alone last night. Every time we're in a new place, they just whine constantly. Sorry we're bothering your sleep. But now they're all tired, so they can sleep soundly tonight until we fall asleep, and then they're gonna whine again. Cause
They'll sleep soundly, and we will too.
yeah, whatever. I'm not gonna hold my breath.
That was a very good take, Adam. Say that word one more time. No, I said 1, not 2. Just 3.
Leave me alone.
No, never. This is marriage. You don't get to be
This
alone.
is marriage. God, what did I get myself into? I can't breathe.
Okay.
What's up, wife?
Wait, what are you doing?
Trying to ignore you. Wow. You're gonna get banned on YouTube now.
No, we had this discussion and no nipples or no
They don't have a purpose, so they're not sexual. Okay, good night. I'm going to bed now. Wait, hold on.
You want that on camera?
It already happened.
You little slut.
Hey, you buffoon, what are you doing to my RV?
Taking this chair out, and your arms are too big, so I have to do it.
Apparently, it's probably a good idea to remove a swivel chair before we start pulling up carpet. There's our space heater because it is chilly in here.
What's the temperature outside right now?
I don't know. The RV is sort of coming along. We have a couch out still, and that's still it. The goal is to leave the cab carpet there, so I would say from the edge of that table over there.
Cutting the carpet for the first time. It's happening.
Getting the carpet out from underneath this slide out is a trek. When they put the carpet in, the slide out didn't exist yet, so they carpeted the whole thing. So from here to here, there's still gonna be carpet there because we have no way of getting underneath the slide out. So we're just gonna do our best.
What tools are you using?
Just cutting it with a straight edge here, and then kind of prying it out with a set of pliers. There we go. It seems like if I got it right, I could pull it.
Get more leverage on it. Oh my gosh. Yes! Look at that. It came out. That's awesome. Let's see that. Look at that. Adam got it out. For the win.
That don't look like no carpet.
The pretty wood that was in here, but
Not so pretty anymore?
yeah. It's coming out pretty easy though. I like this better than the carpet.
No, floor's looking a little different since the last time I saw it. What are you doing?
Pulling out staples.
How many staples are there?
I have thousands of staples.
What do you think?
Still a lot to do.
We'll just call this day one since we didn't really get anything done on actual day one.
Day 1.0.
Day one, comma B.
What are you doing?
Taking off these hideous balances.
Looks nice without them though. This window
It does.
really opens it up.
That's the goal.
Put some curtains on it, look more like a home.
It's a little awkward behind these cabinets. Might need to switch to a screwdriver for this one. I'm gonna do that. We're done with most of the demolition. We got all of the carpets pulled up, all of the hardwood pulled up. All of the cabinet facings and the cabinet handles have been removed. What are you trying to do?
I'm removing all of these handles so that they can be painted rose gold.
So those are ready to be painted. All of the valances have been removed, really opened up the space. The toilet taken off and the linoleum taken off. Taking out the toilet.
A lot of antifreeze has been coming out when we unscrew it. We just got some towels to hopefully...
The towel's on standby. Is it still draining?
A little bit. It's pretty much done.
It looks like a little bit of a shithole. Literally, we have a shithole in our place now. When we pulled up the linoleum here in the bathroom, there was a bunch of antifreeze and water underneath it. So we put down some kitty litter to absorb it. All in all, a successful weekend.
Hey, Kyle.
Hola.
What'd you say?
I said hola.
I'm filming you, sorry.
Oh, hello.
Is that okay?
No.
No?
You don't have my permission. You have my permission because I'll say something stupid and then I'll end up being... No, you have my permission. Hi, guy. Trying to get work done here. We need to cook up some meth. Let us out, take as much Valtrex as possible.
Is that what it's called?
Yep. That's well, no, I don't know. That's
Why
stuff
do
I'm
you-
taking.
I don't have herpes, I just take the medication.
I blame Krista for that one. Wait, edit that out.
We're starting the flooring. Cut out some pieces here and we're gonna see if it fits.
Stop. Haha. Beautiful.
It's our first piece of floor.
First floor.
Here we go.
Our first floor is a married couple.
Dead on. There we go.
We just got the flooring and the slide out mostly done. Took a lot longer than we anticipated, but it was a learning experience. We're taking a short weekend this week because Krista just started a new job and she's working 11 hours a day. Today is February 16th and our lease is up April 1st. So we've got that many weekends to be into the RV living because we're not gonna have another place to live.
Is the mic on?
Yeah.
The camera's on?
Uh-huh.
Is rolling?
Yeah, we've been rolling.
I don't want to be on camera. Can I film you?
What the hell? You just
I
made a
just said
huge
I'm
sting.
not in a good mood.
All of our helpers abandoned us because it's been snowing like crazy, and I decided to shave off my thumb tip. So I got stuck with my dunce of a wife, and
Don't say that. Say something else.
I got stuck with my lovely wife, helping me put in floors. So we're gonna have an adventure, finishing up the flooring this weekend.
Starting with this one.
That seems wrong to me. Yeah, that's way wrong.
What's in?
I don't even know what I did just now. Just this is wrong. So when we were pulling up just some of the carpet that was sticking out under the bed, Adam noticed a bunch of mice feces coming out from underneath the bed, so we decided it would be a good idea to lift up the bed and find out what was going on. And the major problem was that this slide out is not flush with the RV. We got garage door weather stripping and screwed it into the wood so that it can still slide in and out on top of the rubber. There's an open hole like straight through to the ground, so we got some of this foam that you spray in there and it just hardens into insulation. It's a really good RV, but you can tell it was interestingly constructed in various ways. For example, linoleum in the bathroom was coming all the way out into the bedroom. You could tell that they put all the flooring in and then added these walls on after. Just staples everywhere in different directions, so we couldn't just scrape them out quickly. We had to literally one by one pick them out. It's dinner time right now, Grandma says. We have 5 weekends left, including this weekend, so really 4. We should be able to do it. This flooring is just turning into a bear, but we're making it work, so yeah.
Oh yeah, workout to workout.
Yeah. Hurting already. Are you filming?
No.
Hi.
Hi, Rick. What are you doing?
I have no idea what I'm doing.
What are you trying to do?
We're trying to install solar.
You excited?
No.
Got it. Boom. Hey, can I get a pair of pliers?
Hey.
Needle nose?
We were visiting.
I need needle nose pliers.
We're not paying you to visit.
You're not paying us.
There's so many beards working on this solar. I'm the only one who doesn't have a beard.
The beardless wonder.
The beardless wonder.
What are you doing?
I'm leaving to go get beer.
You're gonna have enough?
Who I told you to get the 20 foot.
This was the only size they had, and I honestly thought we were gonna go with the other kind. Which, if we run out of that, we'll just do that on the other pin. Honestly.
Boy, I don't like that. Because it's still spinning.
There's just nothing there.
Okay.
We're getting ready to install. The snow's coming in real hard right now, so we have to abort.
Is it
This
slippery?
is not installation type weather. It is beyond slippery on the roof right now. So we just got all the solar panels down, and I think we gotta call it a day on the solar, which is unfortunate because we just disconnected everything involving electric.
Well, Adam, you know what that means.
What?
It's time to test out Delilah's snowsuit.
Snowsuit!
You ready? You'll see. Oh yeah, snowsuit. Snowsuit. Sure, I think it should.
You gonna try on the new swag?
Snap, Delilah, look at this. You just wait. You're gonna be able to play in the snow and not get cold. It's gonna be great. We just have to figure out how to get you in. He wants none of this.
He's like,
right now.
I'm getting abused. Yeah, you're gonna love this though, Delilah.
Okay. She's just getting on her sleep. Lila, you're going to be warm in the snow.
She's not.
Fabulous. Look at your coat. Look at your coat.
Ready to go inside? 1, 2, 3.
Really hard doing the long ones. Close again.
Found a dirty toothbrush.
Yeah, we found a bunch of dirty stuff. Look.
I don't know. Trying to cut linoleum. I've never done this before in my life. Honey, this is our last night in our first place together.
I know. Now we're gonna move
We'll
into
live in
another
our
place.
first house.
I wouldn't call it that.
It is. It's just on wheels. Did you like this place?
Yeah. This is our first place together. I loved this place.